Hello friends, in this video I'll discuss with you about electricity. The content of this video is according to NCERT class 10th. So basically we will discuss in depth about electricity. I'll use both Hindi and English language. After watching this video, you will be able to answer questions like what constitutes electricity, where do the charge come from, how do the charge move, where do they move, how does an electric charge cause mechanical motion or make things light up. In this modern society, electricity plays an important role. We all know the importance of electricity in our day-to-day life as well as in the development of our nation. हमारे लिए जितना ऑक्सीजन और वाटर इम्पोर्टेंट है उतना ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक इंडस्ट्री के डेवलपमेंट के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. आई विल गिव यू एग्जांपल ऑफ सम ऑब्जर्वेबल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ करंट जो कि डे टू डे लाइफ में हम लोग देखते हैं, सच एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस ऑफ वाटर, लोकलाइज्ड हीटिंग ड्यू टू रेसिस्टेंस. जब मोबाइल को बहुत देर तक चार्ज में लगाकर छोड़ देते हैं तो वो हीट होता है. दैट इज ऑल्सो इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट. The third one is electromagnetism and most common lightning during thunderstorm. See, for transmission of light and sound and some other energy, there is no need of any continuous path or any material through which these can be transported. But for electricity, we need something through which it can travel. The material which conduct electricity, that means वो मटेरियल जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के ट्रांसमिशन में हेल्प करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडक्टर. ओके, एंड दैट विच अपोजेस द ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कॉल्ड इंसुलेटर. सम ऑफ द गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कॉपर, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, एंड सम एग्जांपल ऑफ इंसुलेटर इज ग्लास, रबर, प्लास्टिक. डू यू नो एयर इज इंसुलेटर और कंडक्टर? प्लीज आंसर डाउन बिलो इफ यू नो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एयर. So basically I will divide this lesson in 4 topics. In first topic I will tell you about electric charge, in second electric current, in third electric circuit, and in fourth SI units, and we will practice some numerical. Okay, what is electricity? Electricity is a controllable and convenient form of energy. We already have discussed that electricity has variety of uses in homes, schools, hospitals, industry and so on. We all are very much familiar about the air current and water current. In the similar way, electric charge flows through a conductor and we say that there is an electric current in the conductor. So basically, the charge which flows in a conductor provides energy to the electronic equipments to function. अब आप लोगों के मन में एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा कि ये चार्ज होता क्या है? From where does it come and how does it flow? तो जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि चार्ज कंडक्टर के थ्रू फ्लो होता है. कंडक्टर की एक स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि कंडक्टर में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है. वो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इस चार्ज के मूवमेंट को फ्लो होने में हेल्प करता है. एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दैट सेम चार्ज रिपेल ईच अदर व्हाइल अपोजिट चार्ज अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. So these free electrons are of same charge, that is negative charge. So it helps in the transmission of electric current. So this is a simple electric circuit. In an electric circuit, we have 3 things. The first one is power source, second one switch, and third one any electric resistor. So don't get confused by the term electric resistor. Electric resistor means any object which consume electricity. So here we have bulb in the form of electric resistor. This battery will provide charge and the switch will add and break the circuit. So a closed loop of conductor is called electric circuit. Okay, and through this electric circuit charge flows. See, you can understand it through a common example. जब आप अपने मोबाइल को चार्ज से लगाते हैं सॉकेट में, तो आपका चार्जर इस सॉकेट और मोबाइल के बीच में एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट बनाता है और इसके थ्रू चार्ज फ्लो होता है और आपका मोबाइल चार्ज होता है और आप फिर से गेम खेलने लगते हैं एज यूजुअल. जोक अपार्ट. सी, नाउ देयर मस्ट बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ एनी चार्ज. सो द कन्वेंशनल डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ charge is from positive to negative terminal. When the phenomena of electricity was first time observed, electron was not known. So the flow of positive charge was considered as the direction of flow of electric current. But as the electron was discovered, we came to know that charge is the flow of electron, but the conventional direction of current is from positive terminal to negative terminal. This is also an example of electric circuit. Up to now we have discussed about the flow of charge, what is conductor, what is insulator. Now we will move ahead and we will talk about electric current. So electric current is expressed by the amount of charge flowing through a particular area in unit time. In simple word, the rate of flow of electric charge is called electric current. Mathematically, it can be written as electric current is equal to electric charge upon time. We have written here time because electric current is rate of flow of electric charge. So charge upon time gives the rate of flow of charge. Here the alphabet I used to represent electric current, Q used to represent electric charge, and T used to represent time. Okay, and the SI unit of electric current is ampere, SI unit of electric charge is coulomb, and SI unit of time is second. The device used to measure electric current flowing through a circuit is called ammeter, and one of the most important property of ammeter is that it is always connected in series in a circuit through which the current is to be measured. सीरीज कनेक्शन और पैरेलल कनेक्शन के बारे में हम अपने नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. बस अभी के लिए आप इतना जानिए कि सीरीज कनेक्शन में करंट कांस्टेंट होता है. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम यू. करंट को एमीटर से मेजर कर सकते हैं, फिर चार्ज को कैसे मेजर करेंगे? सो फॉर मेजरिंग चार्ज कन्विंस वी आर यूजिंग गोल्ड लीफ इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप एंड दीज डेज अ न्यू डिवाइस कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक electrometer is also used to measure charge. So now to make you more comfortable with this current charge term, we will practice a numerical. Okay. Before that, I'll tell you some important point. Okay. The SI unit of electric charge, as I have told, that is coulomb. The value of 1 coulomb is equal to charge contained in nearly 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. What does it mean? 1 coulomb 6 into 10 to the power 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में अवेलेबल चार्ज के इक्वल होता है. इट मीन्स 6 into 10 to the power 18 is the number of electron. Okay, and the charge contained in one electron multiplied to this will be equivalent to 1 coulomb. Okay, and the SI unit of electric current is ampere. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. Now we will practice a question. Okay, please note down this question. A current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. In simple words, इस circuit में 0.5 ampere पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से नेगेटिव टर्मिनल तक फ्लो होता है 10 मिनट के लिए. Then you have to find the amount of electric charge. So it is very simple. We have given that value of current is 0.5 ampere and the time period for which charge is flowing is 10 minutes. But minute is not the SI unit of time. So we will convert this 10 minutes into second, that is 600 seconds. Now using this formula, charge is equal to current into time, which is derived from this formula. I is equal to Q upon T. So we can write Q is equal to I on T. Now value of current is 0.5 ampere and value of time is 600 seconds. So multiplying this we get 300. And what is the SI unit of charge? That is coulomb C. So we have written here C. Now let us practice next question. The next question is calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. So hint for solving this question is that charge on an electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. See here minus sign indicate negative charge. I have told you that there is two kind of charge, that is positive and negative charge. So taking help from this value, we can easily calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. Here we have given the value of charge is equal to 1 coulomb and charge is equal to N into E. Here N is number of electron and E is charge of 1 electron. So it can be written as N is equal to Q upon E. Value of Q is 1 coulomb. So we have written here 1 and the value of E is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So we write here minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus coulomb. On solving this, you will get the value equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons, which we have also discussed while discussing the definition of charge. So from this numerical, we can conclude that if 1 ampere current flows through a conductor, then 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons pass per second across the cross section of the conductor. Through this small video presentation, we have discussed about electric charge, that is flow of electron, electric current, that is flow of charge per unit time, electric circuit, that is closed loop of a conductor, and SI unit of electric current, that is ampere, electric charge, that is coulomb, time second, and we have solved 2 numerical also. So I hope you all must have understood what is electricity, what is charge, what is current, and you all must have enjoyed the lesson also. So in next video we will discuss the next topic. Electricity is a vast and very interesting topic and very easy to understand. So we will meet in our next video and discuss about the next topic. Until then, thanks.